Hari Om, good morning. As you know, there are four pillars of noun: number, gender, case, and articles. We have already read number, gender, and case. Today we shall read articles. So we should come to articles. Definition: it signals the coming of noun. When there is signal, a train comes, and article signals the coming of noun. It means when an article comes, it is sure that a noun will come. It may be that just after article, noun may come, or after adjective or adverb, noun will come. But it is sure if article is present there, that time noun will come because it signals the coming of noun. Now we should come to its kinds. It has two kinds: indefinite articles, definite articles. In indefinite article there are two, a and and in definite article there is the. It means there are three words in article: a and the. The is called definite article. If the is present before any word, it means that denotes definite thing. If a or an is present before any word, that means it denotes indefinite thing. Now we should come to uses of articles. First we will learn use of a. Number 1. It is used before consonant sound. You should try to understand what is consonant sound. As you know, there are 5 vowels and rest are consonants. So there is a difference between consonant and consonant sound. If any word starts with consonants and it is also pronounced as consonant, that is called consonant sound. If a word starts with vowel but its pronunciation starts with consonant, that is also consonant sound. But if a word starts with consonant but its pronunciation is like vowel, that is not consonant sound. What happens? Generally a word which starts with consonant, its sound is also like consonant. If a word starts with vowel, its sound is also like vowel. But sometimes it happens that a word may start with consonant but its sound is vowel, and it may also happen that a word may start with vowel and its sound is like consonant. So you must see consonant sound. If the word has consonant sound, that time you will use a. Number 2. It is used before singular countable noun. There are two words: countable noun and singular. As you know, noun is countable and uncountable. Countable, which can be counted, like boy you can count, girl you can count, cat you can count, dog you can count. So these are countable nouns, and it should be singular. It should not be plural. Like it should not be boys, girls, cats, dogs. If the word is boys, cats, dogs, balls, that time a will not be used. It must be singular and it should be countable. There are some nouns which are uncountable, like water, oil, milk, gold. Before that we shall not use a. It must be singular and countable. So you should see example. He is a boy. Boy is singular countable noun and its sound is consonant. She is a girl. Girl is singular countable noun and its sound is also consonant. You are a student. Student, singular countable noun and sound is also consonant. Sachin was a player. Player, singular countable noun and its sound is consonant. John is a European. You should mind here, there is a word European, but we have used a. It starts with vowel E, but its pronunciation is, its sound is like consonant. He reads in a university. Here also you should mind university. There is a. It starts with U, which is a vowel, but its sound is consonant. If you feel problem in consonant sound and vowel sound, in that condition you can take help of Hindi. You should write the pronunciation of that word in Hindi. If the first letter is Swar Varna, that is vowel. If the first letter is Vyanjan Varna, that is consonant sound. So you should see what comes when you write the pronunciation in Hindi. It will help you very much. Like if you write European, yo comes at first. If you write university, yo comes at first. So you will use a before European or university. Now we should come to rule number 3. It is used before any adjective or adverb if a noun comes before it. Noun comes before it. It is used before any noun, adjective or adverb. It is used before any adjective. Once again I am telling, it is used before any adjective or adverb if a noun comes after it. It means after adjective or adverb. A can be used before adjective or adverb, but there is a condition. You cannot use a before any adjective or adverb if any noun does not come after that adjective or adverb, and that noun should be singular and countable. Singular countable noun should come. You should see example. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. Before good there is a, but boy comes after it. Boy is a noun. If there is no boy, you are a good, it is not correct. That time it will be you are good. You are good. For using a, noun should come. You are a good boy. Sita is a beautiful girl. There is noun here. This is adjective. A has been used before adjective, before beautiful. But girl comes after adjective. If this is only Sita is beautiful, that time a will not be used. He is a one-eyed man. He is a one-eyed man. Here man comes. So here a has been used. It is a useful thing. Here there is noun thing. So a has been used here. One thing again you should mind. This is one. One. Its pronunciation starts with wo. So a has been used. It is a useful thing. Its pronunciation is like yo. So a has been used. So whenever you are using article before adjective or adverb, you must mind that a singular countable noun should come after adjective or adverb. In that condition you should use article, otherwise you should not use article. Number 4. It is used in the sense of one. A also gives the sense of one. So where you have to write one, in that condition also you can use a, or sometimes a is used as one. Like example, there was a king. There was a king means there was one king. For one, a has been used here. There is a garden in my village. It means there is one garden in my school. It means for one, a has been used here. So these were the uses of a. And I think if you have understood the use of a, that time you will feel no problem in using an. Now we should come to use of an. It is used before vowel sound. As you know, a is used before consonant sound and an is used before vowel sound. Vowel sound is that which starts with vowel and its pronunciation is also like vowel. If a word starts with consonant and its pronunciation is like vowel, that is also vowel sound. But if a word starts with vowel but its pronunciation is not like vowel, its pronunciation is like consonant, that is consonant sound. So if there is vowel sound, we will use a. And number two, it is used in the same way as a. Where you were using a, in the same way you will use an. Difference is what? Difference is consonant sound and vowel sound. Where you used a for consonant sound, if on that very place vowel sound comes, that time you will use an. It means if there is singular countable noun, there you will use an. If there is vowel sound, if you have to use before any adjective or adverb or any noun comes after it, and that adjective or adverb has a vowel sound, that time you will use an. If it is used in the sense of one, if you have to give the meaning of one and any vowel sound is coming, in that condition also you will use an. So dear children, today we have learned the use of a and an. One more word, that is definite article, and that is the. We will read next time what is the use of the, or how we can use the in right way. Thank you.